Angelina Jolie has undergone preventative surgery to avoid the risk of ovarian cancer. The Oscar-winning actress and filmmaker made the announcement in an op-ed in the New York Times. Jolie wrote that she had had surgery to remove her ovaries and fallopian tubes last week after blood tests revealed a risk of ovarian cancer, a disease which killed her mother at age 56. The op-ed comes 2 years after another piece Jolie wrote in the Times describing her decision to get a preventative double mastectomy to avoid breast cancer. James Corden's debut as host of The Late Late Show has been met with positive reviews and praise on social media. The award-winning British actor, who was not widely known in the United States before he landed the high-profile job, was joined by stars Tom Hanks and Mila Kunis for the first show, which aired on Monday. Corden has signed a 3-year contract to appear as host of the late-night TV show. And funny man Will Ferrell received a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame Tuesday in honor of the Saturday Night Live veteran's contribution to film and television comedy. Ferrell was joined at the ceremony by past co-stars Molly Shannon and John C. Reilly. His next movie, Get Hard, also starring Kevin Hart, opens this week.
Get back here, bitch! Oh, no, please don't hurt my body! Oh, no!